Good morning. You look sleepy.
Good morning. I am barely awake.
Did you hit the snooze button again?
Maybe, like 4 or 5 times.
Oh, Bob. That is the worst start.
But the bed is so warm and cozy.
Snoozing fragments your sleep cycle. It creates sleep inertia.
Is that why I feel so groggy?
Exactly. Your brain is confused.
Okay, tomorrow I will try just one alarm.
Put your phone across the room.
So I have to stand up to turn it off?
Yes. Once you stand, you win. Take 3 deep breaths before you get up.
In and out. Okay, I feel calmer. But I need to check my messages.
No, you don't. Not yet.
What if there is an emergency?
If it's urgent, they will call you. Scrolling triggers a dopamine spike.
And that is bad?
It kills your motivation for later. Save the dopamine for real work.
I guess Instagram can wait.
Now, march to the kitchen.
Coffee time?
Water time. Warm water with lemon.
Why warm? I like ice water.
Warm water is easier on digestion. It wakes up your metabolism gently.
And the salt you mentioned before?
Just a pinch of Himalayan salt.
For the minerals?
Yes, it helps neural firing.
Okay, I'm drinking it. It's not bad.
Drink half a liter before breakfast.
That's a lot. But I'll try.
Now let there be light.
My eyes are sensitive right now.
Sunlight is the most important trigger. It sets your melatonin timer.
Melatonin? That's for sleep.
Viewing morning light helps you sleep tonight.
What if it is cloudy outside?
Even cloudy light is strong enough.
I'll stand on the balcony for a bit.
Breathe the fresh air too. No sunglasses for the first 10 minutes outside.
So my eyes get the full light? Should I make my bed now?
Absolutely. It reduces visual clutter.
Does clutter really affect the brain?
Yes, mess causes subconscious stress. Tidy room, tidy thoughts.
It only takes 2 minutes anyway.
And you will thank yourself tonight. Let's move that body.
I don't have time for the gym.
No gym needed. Just stretch.
Like touching my toes?
Try a sun salutation yoga flow.
I'm not very flexible, Alice.
That is exactly why you need it. It releases tension from sleeping.
Okay, 5 minutes of stretching.
It signals your body that the day began. Add 2 minutes of jumping jacks.
Seriously? That sounds intense.
It boosts your heart rate fast.
You mentioned meditation earlier.
Yes, mental hygiene is crucial.
I get bored just sitting there.
Use a guided app then. Let a voice guide your focus.
What if I think about my to-do list?
Just notice the thought, let it go. It trains your focus muscle.
I need better focus for sure.
Now, the scary part. The shower.
I like my showers hot.
Start hot, wash yourself. Then turn it to cold at the end.
For how long? A minute?
Start with 30 seconds. Breathe deeply. Don't hold your breath.
It wakes you up better than coffee?
Much better. And it improves immunity.
I'll scream, but I'll do it.
Time to get dressed.
I stare at my closet for 10 minutes.
That is called decision fatigue.
I waste so much time choosing.
Pick your outfit the night before.
That is actually a smart tip.
Save your brain power for real work.
Jeans and a t-shirt. Done.
Let's go to the kitchen.
I am actually quite hungry.
Some people skip breakfast. It is called intermittent fasting.
I can't function without food.
Then eat high-quality fuel. Avoid sugary cereals.
What about a smoothie?
Only if it has protein and fiber. Berries, spinach, protein powder.
That sounds healthy and fast.
Chew slowly. It helps digestion.
I usually eat too fast.
Put your fork down between bites.
Okay, food is ready. Coffee?
Check the time. Is it 90 minutes yet?
It has been 60 minutes.
Wait 30 more. Trust me.
Why exactly 90 minutes?
It relates to adenosine receptors. Coffee blocks them temporarily. If you drink too early, you crash.
Science is ruining my morning coffee.
Science is saving your afternoon energy. While you eat, grab a notebook.
To write my feelings?
To practice gratitude. Write 3 things you are thankful for.
Can it be simple things?
Yes, like hot water or sunshine.
I am thankful for this smoothie.
It rewires your brain to be positive. Now, flip the page. Write your daily goals.
I have so much to do today.
Don't write everything. Just the big 3.
The 3 most important tasks?
Yes, if you finish those, you win.
That feels less overwhelming. I usually listen to news while eating.
The news can be very negative. Try an educational podcast instead.
Or maybe some uplifting music?
Music is great for mood. Protect your mental input early on.
Okay, I am ready to work.
Phone on silent mode?
Silent and face down.
Do your hardest task first. Eat the frog.
I will finish that report first.
Set a timer for 60 minutes. No distractions allowed.
This routine seems powerful.
It sets you up for success.
I might not do it all perfectly.
Consistency matters more than perfection. Just try to be 1% better today.
1% better. I like that. Thanks for the guidance, Alice.
You got this. Have a great day.
Time to crush it.
Remember, your morning shapes your whole day.
And today, I'm starting strong.
That's the spirit. Before work, delete one app you waste time on.
Just delete it? Even if I like it?
You can reinstall it later. Try 24 hours without.
Okay, goodbye, Candy Crush.